Which state has become first group of states to complete 3 reforms stipulated by the Ministry of Finance? Both A and B. Which company has received orders from the MOD for the supply of high mobility vehicles to Indian Army? BEML. In which state's metro rail network the DRDO has established the biodigester MK2 technology? Maharashtra. Who has been appointed as the new British High Commissioner to India? Alexander Ellis. Which institution will conduct the National Cow Science Examination? Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog. In which nation till February 20, the Indian Embassy has suspended all consular services? UK. The MOH and FW has released the Lasi Wave 1 Report 2020, which state has topped the measured prevalence of low vision. Andhra Pradesh. The Swasth Vayu non-invasive ventilator has been developed by which organization? CSIR. Which bank has signed the $646 million loan agreement for upgrading the road network in Andhra Pradesh? NDB. Which social media giant has acquired the podcasting app Breaker? Twitter. For which state or union territory the CCEA has approved the Central Sector Scheme? Jammu and Kashmir. Who has been appointed as the chairman of GJC? Ashish Pethe. Which state has announced to celebrate the Desh Nayak Divas? West Bengal. The Union Budget 2021 will be presented on which date? February 1, 2021. Which bank has become the India's first urban cooperative bank to convert into SFB under the Voluntary Transition Scheme? Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank.